Sir Elton John is said to be absolutely gutted that he is unable to attend his own annual Oscars party for the first time. The 74-year-old music legend famously hosts an annual bash in Los Angeles on the night of the Academy Awards, with the event serving as a huge fundraiser for his AIDS Foundation. Last year, the star-studded event, which included appearances and performances from stars including Dua Lipa and Lady Gaga as well as the man himself, raised over £2 million for the charity. But due to scheduling conflicts, Sir Elton won't be able to make his own party on the night of the Oscars, which have been moved to March 27, due to his rescheduled farewell world tour dates. A source told The Sun, "Elton is absolutely gutted he can't make the party, but it was completely out of his hands." When his farewell Yellow Brick Road tour was rescheduled, he kept the first Oscars date free. But when the ceremony was then moved, everything was already set in stone. Elton's annual Oscars party has raised tens of millions for his AIDS Foundation to date, and he always plans his touring schedule so he can attend. It was completely unavoidable. Elton didn't want to let down those thousands of fans who'd held onto their tickets for his gig in Nebraska and waited so patiently for the tour to be rescheduled after COVID. The event is due to go on without Sir Elton, however, with his husband David Furnish, 59, hosting and A-list stars expected to attend. Sir Elton's farewell Yellow Brick Road tour has been beset with delays since it was first announced back in January 2018. The star was supposed to have wrapped up the tour by the end of 2021, with the Greatest Hits retirement tour taking in over 300 dates across the globe. The ongoing COVID-19 pandemic caused the tour to be put on hold when he was only about halfway through, with a hip operation in late 2021 causing some dates to be pushed back further. Last month, the singer was forced to cancel 2 more shows when he tested positive for COVID himself. A statement issued on behalf of the Rocket Man singer said at the time, "It is with great regret that the farewell Yellow Brick Road tour dates in Dallas set for Tuesday, January 25th and Wednesday, January 26th must be postponed due to Elton recently testing positive for COVID-19. Fortunately, Elton is fully vaccinated and boosted, and is experiencing only mild symptoms. Fans should hold on to their tickets as they will be honored at the rescheduled dates to be announced soon." Elton and the farewell Yellow Brick Road tour look forward to returning to the stage shortly. While his rescheduled dates after he was forced to pause his tour in March 2020 mean he is unlikely to be able to attend Brooklyn Beckham's upcoming marriage to actress Nicola Peltz. The singer is godfather to the Beckham child, who is due to tie the knot on April 9 when Elton is expected on stage in Lexington, Kentucky.